All right, green flag, let's go.
Now why they stop her?
Looks like Dutch might have paid too much. Oh, there we go now. Oh.
Yeah, man. Get that beard up. We lost his grill.
Alright, boys, let's do some banging. Let's do some crashing. Oh, yeah. Dutch Miller, number 3. Just remember, if you don't buy from Dutch, you pay too much. All right, here he goes. Now there's that Dutch Miller number 3 car. He's a smoker in there. Looks like he's got a real wheel locked up, but he's still moving. Come on, Red. We need you to get some motion out there in the ocean. Yeah. Oh, yeah, boy. Now they're just banging them up good. Hey, has everybody got their favorite driver? You need to be cheering him on when he makes a big hit out there.
Purple guy's done. He got a broken nerve. He's out.
Oh, good hit right there by the Dutch car. Number 3. He's dragging his tail fin along with him. Doing good, Dutch. Oh, Red. Tear him up, Red. Get him going. Red will show you how it's done, boys. He's a professional. He's been at this for a long time. And old Red comes down and he puts on a good show. Here we go. Oh, boy. Yeah, well, look like we've got several out of commission. We got the Dutch car still on the road. Red's got a flat tire on the driver's side, but he's still got her cranking. Uh-oh, here they go. They're going to line up. And go. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
How's that? Oh, there it goes. You're going to say, how's that bumper still hanging
Red's
on?
going to get you. Giving you Snoopy's car. Come on, Dutch. You gotta keep it moving. That boy. Play ring around the room. Oh, I see the radiator flowing good now. I tell you what, I hope you all don't let that salesman demonstrate too many cars for Dutch Miller. Oh, here he comes. Yeah. Attaboy, Red, make him chase you. boys. Keep her rolling.
I think he's done.
He hung up against the wall.
Where'd he go? He's sort of flat.
Uh-oh, I heard a flat tire. And boy, push him out there so Red can get loose. There we go. You boys are putting on a good show. Hey, has everybody enjoyed tonight's festivities?